Join me welcome my chicks. Upon arrival, I had to check them for weak birds. After that, I had to check their weights. So this was the weight I was getting on the day of arrival. They were looking very small, 37 gram, 33 gram. So after that, I gave them feed. I gave them water, and the heat source also was available. They were all very active upon arrival, and the heat source was there for them. I actually still gave them glucose in the water so as to give them more strength. So follow through the journey. This is day of arrival. Love and peace.